Alright, so steering nut here is not 25 foot-pounds. It's between 30 and 35, or excuse me, 30 and 36. So I set my torque wrench to 33 foot-pounds. Okay, so that's 33 foot-pounds right there. Alright, so now the airbag module here. So these things are actually color coded. One side is, I didn't realize this when I took it off, but one side is yellow and the other side is orange. Yellow, orange. Alright, so yellow on there, orange on there. Oops. Then once those two are in, push in the little black center tab there. That's what locks it down so it doesn't pull out. And the last thing you do is you put on the ground tab here. That's ground. You hear the snap in, snaps in. And this is the easiest part right here. It's just basically these three spots right here. The steering wheel will have those three hooks there. Line those up, and basically you just push it in like that. That's it. Now it's back in. Now I got my steering wheel back. Oh, that's sweet, man. That feels good. Nice and grippy because this is perforated. Gives it a little bit more grip. Just like my shift knob has the little grooves, so it gives it a little bit more grip instead of all smooth. So this is what it looks like so. There it is. Adjust my seat back to what it was. It's too close. That's about right. Just the height back a little bit. Too high, too low. That's about right there. Let's see. Too high, too low. That's about right there. Okay. That's nice and thick. I like it. That's the way it should be, nice and thick. Okay, so that's it. That's my Guardian Design steering wheel. Alright, thanks for watching, folks.